Hello students, this video is in continuation with the previous video in which I explained the poem Come Out With Me. In this video, we shall solve the exercises given in this poem. The first exercise is of comprehension. Let me solve the exercises and activities of this poem. First exercise is true or false. Write true or false for these sentences. Number 1. The sun shines on the river and on the hill. This is true. Second, there are 5 new puppies on the farm. Wrong. False. Third, the child met a pilot. Wrong. False. Number 4, no one plays with the child because they are busy. Answer of this option is true. Number 5, there is a water wheel under the mill. True. Right. Number 6, the child is happy because she or he is called a little darling. Wrong. False option. Let me write the options once again. Number 1, true. Number 2, false. Number 3, false. Number 4, true. Number 5, true. Number 6, false. B question, write homophones for these words. Let me understand what are homophones. Words that have the same sound but different meanings or spellings are called homophones. For example, here, here, HEAR, here, 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 sun, 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 SON, sun. Now let me solve the questions given in B. SEA, the right answer is C, SEE. You can write another one also. Second, 8, EIGHT, 8, ATE, 8. 8 means the past tense of eat is 8. Dear, DEAR, dear. Right option is dear, DEER, dear. You can write dear. Weather, WHETHER, weather, WEATHER, weather. One weather means option and second weather means mausam. Week, WEEK, week or week, WEAK, week. Week means kamjor or week means hafte. एक हफ्ता दो हफ्ता, that is called week. Break, BREAK, break or brake, 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 which we use in our bikes or cycle. These are the right answers of these 6 options. Again I am repeating: C, SEEC, 8, third is deer, fourth is weather, fifth is week, sixth is break. Next question, C. Fill in the blanks with phrases from the box. There are some phrases given in the box. What are the phrases? A group of words which makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. For example, on the river, under the mill. These are the examples of phrases. Now we solve this exercise one by one. First, the child saw a rabbit into the ground. Right option is into the ground. Second, the wind was blowing. Right option is on the hill. Third, please put your clothes in the cupboard. Right option is in the cupboard. First is into the ground. Second option is on the hill. and the third option is in the cupboard. Fourth option, the school near the park was built last year. In the fifth, the girl with long hair is my sister. In the first option, into the ground. Second, on the hill. In the third, in the cupboard. In fourth, near the park. And in the fifth option, with long hair. Next question, D. Fill in the blanks with suitable questions. Tags from the box. We have to solve this exercise with the help of tags. First of all, we understand what is question tags. Actually, these are the words that are added at the end of a sentence and change a statement into a question, and these are called question tags. Comma, we generally put the comma after the sentence and then use question tags. For example, the child saw an old sailor. Then we put comma and then question tag, didn't she or didn't he. This type we can solve the questions. Now we take the first example, exercise D, first one. Everyone called the child little darling. Didn't they? Then after that, question mark. Second, the water wheel wasn't working. The right option is was it. Number 3, we shouldn't keep birds in cage. The right option is should we? Question mark. Number 4, Henry is friendly. Fourth option is isn't he? Number 5, Meeta did not give you the letter. The right option is did she? In this way, we can solve this activities. First option is again I am repeating, D. The first option is didn't they? In the second option, was it? Number 3, should we? Number 4, isn't he? And in number 5, did she? In this way, we solved the exercises given in this poem. Thank you, children.